YG Institute, founded on March 10th, 2009, whose mission is to reestablish families and community bonds for those impacted by the judicial system. YG Institute, with its affiliate, has been helping Venezuela since 2017 through the affiliate foundation Leonidas Fanete. They have been helping the less fortunate in Venezuela in the state of Falcon. After the tragedy that just happened, we are now needing your donations more than ever for medical supplies, clothing, and all other valuable necessities that can be sent to those in need.